This is Goose-Grip. It'll work on a Milwaukee battery or a DeWalt or a Snap-on battery. I don't have a fully charged battery with me right now, so I'm using the power cable. Here's the power cable. But here's Goose-Grip. I gotta look for a coolant leak down in here on this Volvo. Here is my LED. That's a 36-inch long bendable metal gooseneck. And I can take this light, stick it right down inside there, turn it at any angle I want, and I can see whatever I want to see down in there, or here, or here, or here. Doesn't matter. Take my hands off it, the light stays put where I put it. This is the Goose-Grip Mechanics Work Light. It's available at goosegrip.com. Go take a look. It's got a lifetime warranty.